arts. Let everything just fall onto the art.
Yes.
If you're angry, put it on the art.
Yeah.
If you're excited, put it on the art.
Right.
Yes. And those are the notes that we're taking.
Okay. So Winky D, your relationship, or rather, association with Winky D went from searching for wisdom from him, asking him, how you could be him, and he told you to be yourself. So kushanda futi pa collaborations amakaita, like the song I took by Ibo, so to you saying he deceived you, telling him kuti ndoda kukupedza, you said that. So wakampedza Winky D according maonera kuita it's still work in progress.
Ndakapedza.
How?
Yeah, I can tell. Unless I talk about him, you guys don't talk about him.
We talk. We do.
No, you do not. Yeah. Pane pandotomborwa my intentional breaks.
Right.
Kuti ndimboona wangu animbokunyepera ma-trends anodzokera politics.
Right.
Yes. People start talking about socialites. I can't be name dropping because I don't want to make people famous. But you know what I'm talking about. Indikatonyarara life in Zimbabwe yakutobowa.
So you're saying he's to rely on you?
Yes. That is exactly what I'm saying. Is
it true, guys? Is it true that we are relying on holy turns, whatever? Oh, okay. Comment section. Give us something. Tell us.